everybody.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
We're going to set up the bench. Holy shit, FTO.
Wait lang. Ano ba to?
If FTO gets added next year, should I join?
Yes!
I can't quit. So here's Jose trying the FTO for the very first time.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna do a speed solve.
I don't know what?
What did you say, Jose?
I don't know how to solve.
Yeah, you don't know FTO.
How do you turn this? R.
U prime R.
U prime muna.
U prime
R. Then, no. Yung R dito. Ditong R. Yan. Then, yan. Then, yeah. Hindi, that's the... Hoy, ilaw pa!
So, my first FMC solve was 829, and the person who's second in the psych sheet for Filipinos got a DNF. So, I'm like shook because if I just don't choke my next two solves, then I might be national champion. But I won the battle, not the war. I still have to perform, so let's just not DNF the next two solves. With Dada, the legendary African cuber with so many continental records.
But like, just 8. Just 8. It's
What?
not many. 8?
You?
Yeah.
That's 8 more than me.
No. I mean, it's easier over there, so.
Hey, come on. A CR is a CR. Come on. Don't downplay your
We take it, we take it, we take it.
Don't take it for granted. What can you say to the vlog?
We're just here to enjoy. It's a blessing being able to attend another Philippine Championship. It's been 5 years?
Yes, 5 years.
So that's a long time, so just have to enjoy the moment and lock in. Good luck.
Good luck. I got a 3-minute average in 7x7. It's okay. That was my first time touching a 7x7 since like February of 2023. So it's okay. I wasn't even expecting much.
Bro, you know this time backwards is the same?
Junki Chibang Beaming.
Ah.
Does that normally happen?
day 2 and I haven't vlogged at all yesterday. I was so tired. I was just scrambling. I even gave up clock and 5x5 just so that the comp can end earlier. I mean the day can end earlier. This was my face yesterday. And do you want... This is my face now.
This is my face now.
So
For our sleep is enough na.
Before and after.
MC is finished and I got off 35, which is really bad. And then for some reason, UG, who arrived late and only had 15 minutes to do the solve, got off 34. So,
Ayan, kakayanin.
pero maybe I can do better tomorrow in the third scramble. We'll just see. World record average! World record average! Holy! Stand back. It's like 4.3 average. Oh my gosh. 4.3. 4.3 average. We scrambled Yiheng's world record average.
I scrambled, we did scramble 4 and 3. 4 and 5. Here's 3. Yeah.
Without us, he wouldn't have gotten world record.
No miscramble, no miscramble.
Oh, diba?
We were look at the scrambles.
We are encoding the world record average. Wait. Oh, double check. Wait. Go. 1, 2, 3. Boom!
Yes, sir.
If you resolve the previous round, you are
Ryan! Interview na ko. Holy shit. Oh my fucking god.
Episode shit.
Vamos go shit. GG.
How do you do this?
What happened?
Again, reminding everyone to please, all the photographers, to please check your stations. Calling the opener of the cube with the number 2 logo on the blue center cap, who owns this cube. Competitor who has the cube na may logo sa
Wow. Goodness. 8 seconds.
is giving a 10% off for all cubers of Philippine Championship 2024. Just present your PhilChamps ID.
You know, for ZD.
See that? Okay, I'm out of finals.
I don't even know that.
What?
Once again, this is the final rounds of Philippine Championship 2024. This competition.
GG. Trash. Oh, it's a center. Wait.
Center?
Wait.
Okay lang ba center?
Can I hug you? Hi.